It's that time once again, guys. Mothberg is got to diminish, guys. We're chipping away at Mothberg, and I'm so grateful that you guys are joining us on this journey as we curate our collection. So, guys, one of the things that we're going to mount today, this right here, is Phryxus caicus. It's a beautiful, beautiful moth, Sphinx moth down here in the Florida Keys, only found in Dade and Monroe counties in Florida. And so it's a beautiful moth, guys. Let's get to mounting this beautiful reddish Sphinx moth. Let's check it out. Okay, we have now our Phryxus caicus. Always save our envelopes. Always reuse your envelopes if you can, guys. Phryxus caicus is a stunning moth when it's fresh. It's got a real deep orangish red coloration on the hind wings, and it got these really cool brown, black rib cage looking things on the abdomen. And so, guys, what a beautiful moth that is. We are going to go ahead and put this guy in our relaxing chamber, rehydration chamber. Put you in here. Okay. Our caicus sphinx is in here with a few of his cousins, and we're going to give this some time and let the hot water do its thing, and we'll mount this thing here in a minute. Mount one of my favorite moths from the Florida Keys right now, guys. This is a favorite of mine. This is Phryxus caicus. Phryxus caicus looks a lot like an Sphinx, but when you look at them, there's a really cool boldness to the patterning and like a deep red coloration on the red of the hind wing. I love this moth. I've never seen the caterpillar for this moth. This is one that I've never reared. So I just severed the tendons to make my life a lot easier in mounting this specimen. I'm gonna get my black enamel #2 pin, go right through the middle of the thorax, right down in between the two legs. Okay, push the pin through a little bit. Already got the right size board here. And Sphinx moths, you can, if you want to fit as many Sphinx moths as you can on one board, you can line them up nose to butt. You know, you can put the nose of the one specimen right up to the butt of the other specimen on top, and that way you'll fit as many as you can on a board. So we are going to get these antennae situated here, and get the abdomen propped. Now it's time for the wings. Left side, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. That was good and quick. Now this abdomen definitely needs to get propped up. If it does not, it will droop and be annoying. So let's prop that up, and bam, love it. I've got our label that we're going to use, and we're going to put right here. And beautiful moth, guys. Phryxus caicus. I'm just going to put the paper over the wings, and we're good to go. Just pin these down. Pretty simple. You don't go too crazy pinning them down everywhere. So when you use this cardstock, it really helps keep the wings flattened. You don't need to go crazy pinning. That's it. Good enough, guys. Okay, Phryxus caicus is coming off the board. Let's get him off the board. Stunning specimen of Phryxus caicus. Oop, almost had a little issue there. And we're gonna make sure we don't mess up these antennae. This is a cool moth, guys. And I am excited because this moth is not easy to find. And we've got some nice specimens of this moth from the Florida Keys. And yeah, let me see if I can get this guy out of here. And look at that stunner. Very similar to the Sphinx, but you'll see the difference in the markings. The abdomen's more boldly patterned, and this bright orange hind wing has got this little dark checkered thing that goes on the hind wing side there. And the forewing is actually different too. So beautiful moth, very, very hard to find. Not as widespread and common as its cousin, the Sphinx. In fact, we're gonna put it up next to a few of its relatives here. This is the Sphinx, which is pretty closely related actually, but it's a different bug, and we are excited to have cool bugs like this in the Florida Keys. So if you like the video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. We've got some great moths in the Florida Keys for us to show off, but we have some mysteries of taxonomy which we're working through. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that cool taxonomy research that we're doing in the Florida Keys. Take care, guys. Bye now.